Hi, I'm Ashley and I'm the Senior Phase and FET Maths Activator, and this is my Evolve Online learning hack. It involves trigonometry, the special angles and the ratios of the special angles. So all you need to know beforehand is your 5 special angles: 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. I recommend labeling your 5 fingers in an anti-clockwise direction because that's the direction in which we measure angles. Now if you want to know without having to use a calculator the ratios of the special angles of your 3 trig functions, you also just need to remember that cosine is x over r is always 2, sine y over r, and tangent is y over x. The x's and y's being x and y values of specific coordinates linking up to these degrees. Let me explain this by diving into an example. Perhaps you wanted to figure out tan of 30. You would mark the 30-degree finger, 0, 30, and you should remember that tan is y over x, which means you should take the number of fingers below the 30-degree finger, 1, and divide it, place it over the number of fingers above the 30-degree finger, 3. Don't forget to square root the top and the bottom, and there you have tan of 30 is equal to 1 over root 3. Another example could perhaps be sine of 0, 30, 45. Sine of 30, 45, y over x. Y approaches the bottom of your page as you draw it, so remember that y values will be below the angle finger. So if we're sitting at 45 degrees, do you see that there are 2 fingers below that? Which means your numerator would have 2 at the top, denominator would have 2 fingers at the bottom. Don't forget to square root both. So sine of 45 is square root of 2 over square root of 2, which you know to simplify to 1. One more just for luck. Let's go to perhaps cosine of 60. So let's count to 6 fingers, our 60-degree finger, 0, 30, 45, 60. Cosine is x over r. We know r is always 2, and x means count the fingers above the 60-degree finger. So 1 over 2 would be cosine of 60.